What's up, guys? What's up? All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to another challenge, another video, guys. Okay, so today, as usual, I will be talking about Euro USD and gold. Let me go to a clearer chart over here. Okay, let's talk about a clearer chart over here, guys. Okay, so let's go to the euro dollar and let's take a look at the euro dollar, and then I will touch on gold. Okay. Okay, so guys, what's up? Welcome back. Okay, it's your boy Chen Yu again, and today I will be talking about the euro dollar and the gold chart. Okay, as we can see from the gold chart, right, guys, or the let's start with the gold chart. We can see that price have been very bearish. Okay, price have been super duper bearish as of the entire day today, and also because yesterday was CPI news. Okay, CPI actually came up to be as what they have forecasted to be, and however it have actually shown an increase in the prices of goods and services, and that is also leading to a rise in inflation, and that way that would actually result in the Fed's potentially taking on a more hawkish role and potentially being more restrictive in their monetary policies. And that would be very crucial in affecting the USD when we're talking about the euro dollar or the chart of gold. Okay, so right now price is just getting ready and just taking a sort of ranging currently, because price is waiting for the 9:30 news of the retail sales. Okay, so that's very important. If you're looking at the gold chart, we can see that price have already shifted bearish with this entire strong movement down here. Okay, we can really confirm that price is now structurally bearish. Okay, and it is in a bear market right now with lower lows and lower highs being formed. Okay, so we can very clearly see this high here, lower low formed, lower high, lower low, lower high, and further lower lows and lower highs. Okay, guys, so that's a very clear indicator that price is currently bearish. Okay, personally for me, I believe price can potentially hit down further. And the reason why I think so is because on the monthly time frame, let's talk about the monthly time frame. Okay, so we see the monthly time frame, we actually see that price could potentially actually tap into this area here. This area here about 100 pips away, 130 pips away at 1823. Okay, that is an area that can be cleared and tapped into, which is actually the the monthly or the yearly lower wick. Okay, that could be touched. On the weekly time frame, we see that price is currently in a bearish trend. Okay, then I believe price could potentially come down lower. Okay, I've marked out my level at 1823.3. However, if we go down to the daily time frame, like what I have mentioned, okay, we can actually see that there is a lot of liquidity, guys, a lot of liquidity over here in the market. Okay, there's a lot of liquidity in this uptrend over here, where price could potentially come down lower to clear. So let me just go down to the 4 hours time frame to take a cleaner look. So this entire uptrend over here has been an area for liquidity to grab. Okay, so this area here can be cleared, and just to mark out some kind of levels that we could potentially look out for, we could potentially look out for this area here for a target that price can potentially come down to. Okay, however, right now, as I've mentioned, all eyes are currently on the price of gold and all the USD denominations, because the core retail sales is actually coming out at 9:30 p.m. Singapore timing, and that would be very important to really see how resilient the market has been doing and the economy of the US has been doing. All right, guys, so that is very important for us. And if we go down to the 1 hour time frame to take a cleaner look, okay, we can see a lot of whipsaws coming in here, a lot of whipsaws over here that was actually due to yesterday's CPI news movement. Okay, price moved up about 200 pips, roughly around that range. Okay, and actually, I believe, the entire day today, price have been very bearish. Okay, I believe that retail sales can potentially push price lower. It can push price further down, guys. It can push price further down to even clear the bottom areas at 1823. That area is a key area that I have been mentioning and talking about, that we cannot for gold. Okay, so that would be the chart on gold. As I've mentioned, it's currently on a bear trend. Okay, and what I would like to see is for price to continue its bearish trend coming down lower. As we all may know, if we look at the monthly time frame, let me go for a daily time frame, we can see that price have been largely super bullish coming up to this entire area here. Okay, this area has been super bullish, and currently it's seemingly like some kind of retracement that's happening onto the market currently on gold. Okay, guys, so if we actually go to the weekly time frame to take a look, and we draw the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom all the way to the top. Okay, so we can actually see that price have yet to tap into the 0.382 regions. And if you want price to reach a level of discounted pricing, that would be that 0.5 area here at 1788 that we will be keeping an eye on. Okay, 1788, this level here, okay, is the area to take note of. So also, if you're looking for some kind of retail support that price can potentially tap into, that would be important as well, because a retail support can be an area like, let's say right here, okay, that price can tap into, and that would be about 1-800, 1799, that area that price can tap into before heading back up. So that area we will be looking at as well on the chart of gold. Okay, just do bear in mind that the reason why we are looking at this support area is because a lot of retailers are looking at this support area, and price would really show some kind of rejection of this area. Okay, so that area is one to look out for. For now, our target will be 1823 to be cleared first before we look at what's going to happen in the market. Okay, now let me go down to the chart of euro dollar to take a look right now. Okay, let's start with the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame has been in some kind of rejection zone, or we could potentially see price actually reject this area here very nicely. Okay, and on the weekly time frame, let's talk about the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, we can actually see that price have already cleared the previous weekly high. Okay, and is currently rejected off the previous weekly high and is currently rejecting. So what I would like to see on the chart of euro dollar is more rejections coming into the euro dollar to potentially take price further down to the area at 1.06323. So that is an area that I will be actively looking out for and actively keeping an eye on. All right, guys. So, however, if we go down to the 4 hours time frame to take a look, yesterday's CPI news, very important CPI news, actually took price all the way up and actually cleared this specific swing high. Okay, so to many people, this might be counted as or taken as a break of structure. Okay, very clearly a break of structure. However, if you look on the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hours time frame or the daily time frame, is looking a lot like a rejection and the clearing of the previous daily high. Okay, what I would really like to see for price to come in is for price to potentially wake up later on during the cost retail sales before heading back down to tap onto the area, to tap onto the areas over here, okay, of 1.06323. That is an area that I would really want to keep an eye on now, okay, because there is a lot of imbalance and market inefficiencies existing right at the market over here, okay. So do bear in mind and do keep in mind about that. So that will be it for today's session, guys. I hope you guys actually gained something from today's session. Okay, just do make sure to follow my social media links. Okay, so it will be at chen_yu.com chen_yu, and you guys can take a look at my TradingView where I post very frequent ideas. My ideas are being posted over here. And if you go to my profile, let me click on my profile for you guys to have a clearer look. You can see all the outlooks and forecasts that I've posted. Do keep an eye on it, okay, because it is very informative. Okay, so likewise, do follow my partner as well. My partner would be at DogeStonks. Okay, you guys can find it in the link in the description, and it's a pleasure to actually be able to speak with you guys today. So without further ado, I will end my live stream today and right now, and do trade safe, guys, because up and coming is the retail sales. All right, see you guys again tomorrow, and bye bye.